Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Tim Charron for howtobookgigs.com, and I'm going over something really important that I wish that I had learned before I did, but I've been doing this for years, and that is how to make an instant side income stream that you should be getting paid for anyway, for playing your own music. So I'm going to show you guys how to make money every gig that you play whenever you play one of your own original songs that you wrote. I'm not going to go over registering, you playing covers and stuff like that. But this is really, really important. I make anywhere between $200 and $400, sometimes it's even more per quarter. So you do the math, or I'll do the math. I could make up between $1,000 or $2,000 a year, and you can use this for all sorts of venues that you play. So if you're playing bars, restaurants, amphitheaters, theaters, clubs, all of that kind of stuff, this is for you. So do me a favor and make sure that you subscribe to my page. That's really, really important. Please subscribe. And we're gonna go over it. So we're in BMI Live. So we have all these different things here. BMI Live is at the top. Works registration, works catalogs, royalty statements, all that stuff. So we are concerned with BMI Live, and you should have your original songs that you wrote registered with either BMI or ASCAP or CSAC. And I believe I'm 99% sure that all three of them have this same feature. So we're going to go through this. Let's see. So these are some of the gigs that I have already registered. Say we're going to register at performance. We're going to go to do a brand new one, and they have all these different things, church service, city community event, classical performance, radio, sporting event, all sorts of stuff. So we'll go for concert. My name in this instance. Let's see. So I'm going to use, for example, a bar that I played in Key West called Rick's. So it's really cool because if you play a bar or restaurant, consistently over and over, you play there every Saturday or every other Tuesday or whatever, then you can do this really quick. It basically saves the venue, and you just do what they call a quick ad. But we'll go the long route. So if you're brand new to this, you'll get a good idea of exactly what you're going to do. So let's see. So if you don't have the venue inputted, is that a word? Then this is what you're going to do. So you're going to search for it. So Florida, Key West, and the venue name, and this is Rick's. And then, so you can go to previously performed venues there, and look them up there too. So go to search. It has their info right there. Go to next. So I'm just going to do this as if I just played there, but I'm not going to go all the way through and actually register it. So say you play there. Say you play at Rick's in Key West, and you play there from 6 to 9. And then you can put the event name. You can put a Rick's. You can put, if you're playing solo, that would be me playing solo. Self, promoter, attendance. It's not a big place where we usually play at Rick's when you play solo, so 0 to 250. But a lot of the shows that I play are, between 1,000 and 5,000, or 5,000 and 10,000. So You have all those options in 10,000 and above. So here we go. Next. So this says fetching set list details. Now, what I do is I have a set list that I save, and usually I'll use the same set list of my originals. Now this is just for originals. This is not for if you're playing covers in this video anyway. So I'm just going to make up, let's see what I would usually play. Absolutely, definitely Chasing the Sun. Definitely country songs. You know, my newer ones at Rick's I would play, and then they show up here on the side. At Rick's, because it's in Key West, I would play something like Downtime, a lot of beachy stuff. Island Life, definitely. And the outro, boom, boom, boom. So these are all the songs that I have registered that I wrote or co-wrote. Definitely McConaughey, which is in here. It's Live Like McConaughey. Shake, Rattle, and Roll. I would definitely 3 Sheets to the Wind. That's very beachy. That's definitely something I would play. I think that's it. So here are the songs. Here on the right. So you can save this and make it a set list too, to make your life easier if you play a lot of the same originals in your sets over and over. And then let's see. Okay, so here's the summary. Your name, the name of the venue, date, time, event type, and the set list. Again, these are your songs, or in this particular case, these are my songs that I wrote, and you're playing them in your sets. So then you would check this box, you would hit complete, and that's it. So it's really, really simple to set up, and it's even faster than this. And if you're playing like over and over the same venues, like I said, so definitely go to BMI, ASCAP, or CSAC, get it set up, and you could be missing out on money that if you're playing your own original music out in public, then just like radio royalties, you can be getting paid for every single gig that you play. You can get paid extra money. I have it set up so it comes right to my bank account. So every quarter I get, like I said, between $200, $400, maybe $500 per quarter, just for playing the gigs that I would be playing anyway. So obviously, you book gigs, you go to howtobookgigs.com, you get all this information, you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you find out how to book gigs, more and more gigs. And this is just another, to me it was incredible when I first started doing it. I had heard about it. I procrastinated on it, and I finally did it, and I was just blown away. I was like, oh my God, I've been playing these gigs for years and hadn't gotten paid. And you can only go back so far. I think you can only go back 6 months to register those gigs. So do it now. Get on it now and stay on top of it. I would say once a quarter. Go in, make sure that you register all of your gigs that you had just played in the past few months. What I do is, let me see if I can pull this up. This is how I do it. This is how I keep track of it. I go to my own website. I just did this literally an hour ago for these dates. Okay, wait for this to go. Make sure you comment under here too. And I go down and I go to where am I? Okay. So these are my upcoming dates, and then at least on my website you get to past dates. Boom, right here. Muy importante. So then you just go back to wherever it is that you're starting over from, and you look, okay, I played there, I played there, I played there, and you start pulling them up and entering them into BMI Live, and then magically you either get a check in the mail once a quarter or it goes right into your bank account. So I really hope this helps, and if anything, watching this video, please make sure that you get this started right away. And like I said, it doesn't matter if you're playing restaurant or bar gigs, or if you're playing at amphitheaters and opening for people and playing for over 10,000 people. You can use this for every single gig that they have a music license. So get on it, get on it, get on it right away so you can get started and start getting paid for what you're already doing. Do not leave money out there on the table when you can go and claim the money for yourself. So thank you very much. Check out howtobookgigs.com for a bunch of free info on how to book gigs, and make sure you subscribe.